We are going to teach you how to install Windows 7, along with Windows 10. In this video, you are going to learn how you can install Windows 7 on Windows 10 without data loss. This video has specifically been made for non-techie persons who don't want to take risk of data loss. This video is not about downgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 7. You may call it Windows Dual Boot. Before getting started, to avoid time waste and any inconvenience, download all important device drivers, such as Wi-Fi, Ethernet, graphics, and other drivers. This Windows Dual Boot installation guide requires you have a Windows 7 DVD, the ISO image file of Windows 7, or a Windows 7 bootable USB flash drive. The stored copy of the Windows 7 DVD can be used as well for installation. To be on the safe side, and avoid data loss, create a separate partition for Windows 7 installation. If you have installed Windows 7 in a separate partition, you can easily uninstall or reinstall Windows 7 without any data loss. You can shrink a partition for this purpose without any data loss. To shrink and create a new partition, go to the Start menu and type in Computer Management. Click on Computer Management to open it up. Click on Storage, and then Disk Management. We need a partition with a minimum of 25 GB of disk space for installation. You may increase the size if you need. Right-click on a partition that has more than 25 GB of free disk space you want to shrink, and click Shrink Volume. Set the amount of required disk space amount. If you don't know how many megabytes are there in 1 GB, take help of Online GB to Megabyte Converter. Click Shrink. After shrink is complete, right-click on the unallocated partition, and click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Next. Click Next. Next. Click Finish. The partition is now ready for Windows 7 installation. Before getting started, we suggest to save your work. The installation process needs 1 or 2 restarts. To install Windows 7 with Windows 10, you can use Windows 7 DVD, the ISO image file of Windows 7, or bootable USB flash. You can also use a stored copy of the Windows 7 DVD. We have made a tutorial on downloading the ISO image of Windows 7 from Microsoft. We have covered Windows 7 bootable USB creation as well. You may find the link to that tutorial in the video description box. We are going to use an ISO image file of Windows 7. Double-click on the ISO image to mount it virtual drive, or open it up. Double-click on the setup file to kickstart the installation. Click Install Now, and wait for 5 to 20 seconds. Click on the second option. You may go for the first option if you like to get updates. We recommend the second option. Checkmark I accept the license terms, and click Next. Click on the second option, Custom Advanced. Highlight the partition or drive we've created earlier, and click Next. The installation has begun. It may take 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the speed of the PC and hard disk. Click Restart Now for the next step. Don't interfere, Windows will now do the rest of the process on its own. Do not press any key. Let Windows complete the rest of the process. Final restart. Windows 7 installation is now complete. Choose a username, and make other settings. You now need to install Wi-Fi, video, audio, and other device drivers to make your PC work properly. We hope you find this tutorial useful, and you have managed to install Windows 7, along with Windows 10. If we could not explain anything properly, use the comment section to contact us. We will try our best to help you fix your problem. The comment section can also be used for feedback, questions, and suggestions.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.